Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Gmail confidential mode to protect sensitive messages. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start, open your web browser and navigate to the Gmail website. Log into your Gmail account using your credentials. Once you are in your inbox, click on the Compose button located in the upper left corner. In the new message window, look for the lock icon with a clock inside it at the bottom of the window. Click on the lock icon to enable confidential mode. A pop-up window will appear with options for setting expiration dates and requiring a passcode. Choose an expiration date that suits your needs from the drop-down menu. You can set it to 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, or a custom time frame. If you want extra security, consider selecting the option to require a passcode. If you choose to send a passcode, you can select whether the recipient will receive it via SMS or email. Once you've configured the options, click Save. Now, compose your message as usual. Enter the recipient's email address and complete your message. When you're ready, click Send. Your recipient will receive a message informing them that it is confidential. They will need to follow the link provided to access the email securely. This ensures that your sensitive information remains protected. And that's it. You've successfully set up Gmail's confidential mode to safeguard your important messages. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.